Hi. We will tie the drawing into a basket wicker today. And like this on the inside out. Simple, spectacular drawing. Pattern is performed on the number of loops multiple of 8 plus 2 edges, and plus 2 symmetry loops. To circuits in a circle rows I have on my website. I type loops onto spokes in the classic way of typing. Total, I got 20 loops. Knit according to the scheme. First row diagram from the front side. In the first row, I knit all the loops with facial. I tie every loop front to the last loop. Penultimate edge. It's the first row on the front side. Second row from the wrong side. First loop shoot. Knit drawing. To wear loops. 6 facial times to 3, 4. 5, 6. To wear. Then 4, the pattern repeats 6 front to wear times to 3. 4, 5, 6. 6 front to wear. At the end, I also knit the edge with a wear loop. Ready, second row, turn knitting. Third row, front side knit hinges according to the pattern. Airport drawing to front. 6 wear times. To 3. 4. 5. 6. Repeat to face. 6 wear times 2. 3, 4. 5. 6. At the end of the symmetry loop, it's to facial. Edge knit, wear loop. Ready, third row. Fourth row, from the sign side, remove the first loop. All loops are performed by wear loops. You can classic as I can. Knit wear all the loops to the end of the row. Penultimate wear. Ready, fourth row, turn knitting. First loop shoot. We begin the report of the drawing from 4 wear loops once. 2. 3. 4. Next to face loops. And 2 more wear loops. That's our motive. Repeat. For wear. 2. 3. 4. To facial. To wear. At the end of the symmetry loop, it's to more wear. Thus we get 4 in the beginning. Ready, fifth row. Sixth row on the back side of the loop knit according to the pattern. Remove the first loop. Knit. Facial 2 loops out of pattern. Further drawing report. To wear. For front to 3. 4. Repeat airport figure to front. It turned out 6 facial in a row to wear. For faced. I always knit the edge with a wear loop. So these 6 rows and our whole vertical drawing axe. Then repeat the drawing from the first row. In the first row, all the loops we knitted just face loops. For the front wall. And now here you see all just facial. Thus we get such an interesting weave. everyone before new meetings.